Hey, welcome back to the channel everyone. We've got a couple of baby gangangs in our back garden begging for their food. Okay, mummy's come down to the table. Oh, she's getting back up. She might be trying to teach the baby to come down to the table. So the baby's begging for food, as you can see, but mummy's down here, so he's watching, and eventually he'll figure out to come down. And further up we've got the daddy there, and I haven't got a good camera angle, but there's another second baby boy up in the tree behind me. So you can see how the babies learn everything through observation. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that little baby boy's learning to feed himself. I'm not sure if he's a new one or whether he's a repeating one. So you can hear this little guy, he's feeding himself, but he keeps begging at the same time. Okay, something spooked the parents. I can hear an airplane in the background, that might have spooked them. Okay, that's the second little baby boy, so that's good. Here's the daddy again. Oops, the daisy. Okay, I might stop filming now, but you can just see how the baby gangangs learn through observation from their parents, what they can eat, what they can't eat. And they're down on the table now having their meals. And I'm not 100% sure if these are returning gangangs with their babies or whether they're new ones, but over the next few days and weeks I'll figure it out if these are new gangang babies or not. I'll have to go and look at some of my old videos from the past week or so. Okay, I'll catch everyone later. Bye bye.